Sproutspinner. The plant predator hidden in the shadowy depths of ancient forests lives a remarkable creature, the Sproutspinner. Resembling a spider but born from a plant, it has a body made entirely of living leaves and 4 powerful limbs. Its most distinctive feature is the enlarged abdomen containing pressurized gas chambers. When hunting, it launches sharp plant projectiles with incredible force, capable of piercing through wood and disabling prey from a distance. In close combat, the Sproutspinner uses its massive front limbs as crushing weapons. These limbs also help it navigate through dense undergrowth. The creature spends most of its time camouflaged among foliage, striking with lightning speed when prey approaches. This unique predator evolved from an ancient plant species, developing both photosynthesis and predatory skills. Over time, it became a master of 2 worlds, absorbing sunlight and hunting organic matter. Today, the Sproutspinner thrives in its forest home, defying classification as either plant or animal. It remains nature's marvel, proving evolution's boundless creativity in the quiet corners of the forest.